alcohol, all these things can trigger this release of dopamine in the reward pathway. The problem with that is over time, the high levels of dopamine is going to result in a craving for more of that substance or behavior. So over time, you need to do it more. And we see this with any sort of addiction, whether it's a food addiction, sugar addiction, nicotine addiction, cocaine addiction, alcohol addiction. Addiction is addiction. The same thing is happening in the brain. All right, guys? So we need to understand that, and we need to stop stigmatizing a certain addictive behavior, because that person that's doing the heroin is having the same response as that person that's drinking the alcohol to an excess or not to an excess. They're the same process that's happening in the brain. So what we need to realize is that this person needs help. Their brain is not functioning the way it was intended to because of this excess in dopamine release in your brain. All right. The other thing that happens with addiction is the prefrontal cortex, which is in the front of your brain, that's responsible for decision making and executive thinking, right? So this is the part of the brain that says, no, George, you don't want to do that because that's bad for you. It's bad for your brain. It's bad for your health, right? So in addictive behaviors, what happens is the part of your brain that's responsible for rewards, right? It's upregulated, and then the front part of your brain is downregulated.